I've been a photographer for years at this point, and never once did I think that I needed a dehumidifier as part of my kit. Last year we renovated this space. It's about a 2,000 square foot space that's downtown. It's an old building. It's been sitting dormant for years. Literally had to do a gut job to get this to where it is now. With that said, you know, if you've ever renovated anything that's old, especially an old building like this, you're gonna come across things that you did not expect. There's a subfloor crawl space that is underneath our main flooring. And with that, you know, we were given advice to give a moisture barrier. We installed that, all that kind of stuff, and we thought that was gonna be enough. And long story short, it was not. Unfortunately, as soon as we got everything in, pretty much a few days after that, we noticed some mold growing on the walls. It wasn't like this big plaster of mold or anything like that, but you know how it can kind of start to grow on dust, and that's what was happening. So we were very alarmed at the time, and we definitely were concerned that this could be a potential problem or issue. I mean, think about it. We've got a lot of expensive gear, put a lot of time and energy into making this place to be our new studio, and we were already facing a mold problem. And we're like, this can't be normal. This is not going to be a normal. This is not going to be a problem that we're going to continuously have to face. So we called in the experts, and my friend Jake over at BioShield saved the day. He and his dad, they came over as soon as they could and started analyzing, using tools and testing materials to see where the mold was coming from and see how we could get this problem resolved. Right away, they knew that the place is way too humid. Even in the winter months, this place was just like in the 80s, I think, if I can remember correctly.
The problem here was that there was some microbial growth happening towards the backside of the building, which told us that there were some moisture issues somewhere in the building, and we found that it was in the crawl space. The crawl space was holding moisture, which was causing microbial growth in the upper level. So we knew at that point that we needed to eliminate the moisture in the crawl space as well as in the upper level, and we set dehues throughout to solve that problem.
Ironically, I don't know if that's the best word, like just really blessed that this actually happened, that Alorair reached out about their dehumidifier to put onto this channel. And I was like, you could not have had better timing, because we desperately need something like this. As you can imagine, we invested a lot of money into this space, and when you get towards the end, it just feels like everything just starts adding up quite a bit. And I was like, I really don't want to have to spend the money that we're going to have to spend on this because of this problem. Thankfully, Alorair was kind enough to send this over and partner with us on this review. Just one expense after another, right? So anyways, I digress. Let's get back into some of the details. What's really cool about this is that Jake, they already used Alorair as a brand.
Alorair is a brand I use for all of my drying equipment. So the dehues that we set in place, we set one, or we initially started with two in the main level to get the moisture out of here. And we did that. Essentially, dehu, the way it works is it heats up the atmosphere around it to let water particles release from different materials, and then it pulls it back into the dehu and then drains it out. We did that up here to relieve the moisture, and then we put one of these units of mine, which are they're temporary units. They're not units meant to be placed in a crawl space and stay. But what we did while we were waiting on the review unit was place a dehu down in the crawl space to go ahead and start pulling that moisture until this review unit came in, which is meant to stay in a crawl space full time.
BioShield, in a nutshell, they restore properties damaged. They even do crime scene cleanup. So they already use a lot of these kind of materials to get rid of moisture, to get rid of damaged, water damage kind of stuff. And so it's really neat that they actually brought in Alorair dehumidifiers to get rid of the humidity in this building until we got to the unit that we got now.
So in this main level, we were anywhere between 70 and 90% relative humidity. We really like to see that around 40 inside in conditioned spaces. So that told us that there was a lot of moisture in the air. So we started on day one, like I said, between 70 and 90% relative humidity. And then by day 4 or 5, we had achieved about 40, 50% in here, which the fact that this is a 100-year-old building is really good. Kind of just a quick overview. This is your on off. This is a manual drain button. This is how you kind of go back and forth between your menus and mode. And then this is how to move over options or set different things on here. So we'll get this turned on. So it's already reading 64 and 48 in here. when we first came in here, I think we were at like a 80 or 90 RH in the building. So just from doing what we've done, we've already got it in here to 48, which is great. The all metal body was awesome. My units are hard plastic, which are great for when I'm, they're on 5 different jobs a week moving around, but the fact that it was a hard metal body shows me that it's gonna have really good longevity, especially being in a crawl space. The weight of it, it's actually a little smaller than my dehues I use, and it weighed more, so definitely showed me there's some nice components inside of that body. And just the fact that there's multiple ways to drain this dehu. It has adjustable feet on the bottom, so when we get in a crawl space, we can make sure that it's level. All goes to show that it is much different than the dehues I use. This is, for this situation, it's the perfect unit to put in your crawl space. Very user-friendly. Yeah, I mean, there's 4 buttons on there. They're labeled well. There's an LCD screen to see your different options in your menus, versus on my dehues, I just have an analog screen. They're a lot more dumbed down than this unit. This unit is very good for someone who doesn't know how to use a dehu, because it's very user-friendly. The instructions were very clear. So it's very good for homeowners, business owners.
So as you can see, this experience was quite alarming at first, but fortunately we had good friends that were in a business that helped us out a ton. Not to mention Alorair coming in clutch with reaching out to the channel for something I desperately needed. And the reason why I say that I think every photographer needs this in their kit is because, like, we have gear that we need to protect. We have not only that, it's not just the cameras that we need to protect, it's things like hard drives, computers, things that could be impacted by a problem like mold or just too much moisture in the air. I live in the southeast of the United States. It's a hot, humid climate area, environment that is just brutal. Like, the summer times are just awful here at times. And so this is a long-term investment that I think everybody, especially in this area, should really consider getting. This particular unit can fit into an attic space. It can fit into a crawl space. It's got a few different applications that you can use for whatever your need is. I mean, yes, there are like these cabinets that you can get that are airtight that you can put your gear in, but if you've got a lot of stuff like myself, like a full studio setup, a little cabinet's not going to do the trick. So you're going to need something like this. It's not only going to protect your gear, but it's going to protect you as well, like the people that are inside of it. So keeping you healthy, I mean, obviously the gear is important, but your health is way more important than that. I know I mentioned that I'm a photographer, but I also alluded that I do videography and video production as well. So what's one of the most important elements of video? Audio. And you want to have a quiet environment. You don't want any kind of hum noise, rumbling, vibrations, anything like that. And this dehumidifier is not a problem with any of those concerns. It's actually, I would say maybe 20 feet that way from this room. This is a sound treated room, but we also record videos over at our psych wall, and that's even closer. The dehumidifier is kind of like a set and forget kind of device. You let it just do its job. You check on it every once in a while, make sure that it's functioning, and you enjoy your drier environment. I feel like most photographers don't think about a product like this and just how much it could protect your investments.
First thing that you notice when you walk into an older building that's not conditioned is the smell, right? So if a customer walks in and you have a musty smelling building, most likely they're gonna notice that, and that could deter customers, that could keep people from wanting to buy stuff from a building that has a musty smell to it, which indicates humidity and maybe some mold growth. When we first started in here, towards the back of the building, you could kind of smell a little bit of that humidity and moisture. Now that we've eliminated that, it smells like new construction in here. So that's one big thing. Another thing is microbial growth. Eventually in these older buildings, especially like in storage rooms and where rooms that aren't accessed a lot, that have a lot of stuff in them, mold loves cellulose and it loves cloth and things like that. So mold can start growing very quickly in unconditioned spaces, especially over a crawl space.
If you want to protect your investment, here's my sales pitch now. There's a link down below in the video description. I think you should click it and buy this product because you're going to want to protect your stuff. Again, big shout out to BioShield. Check out their services, especially if you're in my local area. Hey, they'll travel too, I'm pretty sure. Very nice to have those guys in my life, and I appreciate them so much. Give them a shout out. Let me know down in the comments if you watched this video all the way through by saying, thank you, BioShield. All right, hopefully this helps out my friends a bit. So again, thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you next time.